Everybody looking after the bullish movement of cryptocurrency in Nigeria, how you can make money in Nigeria. The only difficulties you can be facing is how to like trade, buy or sell your cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency outside Bybit, outside P2P market or outside any platform that use P2P in Nigeria and many other countries like that. Welcome to Airdrop. This channel discuss about cryptocurrency, how to make money online, latest airdrop updates so you can become profitable miner and also profitable crypto or forex trader. So my name is Ite. I'm also King Ite. So guys, let me teach you how to buy and sell cryptocurrency outside P2P. The name of the app I'll be introducing to you in this video is called Itepay. Itepay. Itepay is the mobile app you can sell airdrop, sell USDT, sell BTC, and also buy all crypto assets or crypto pairs inside the app. The only thing you need to do is to go to Google, search for Itepay. You can see now you have login, Itepay made history, download Itepay mobile app. You can also win the 50,000 naira giveaway from the Itepay mobile app. For Android user, just click on download. Android user, click here. Then you can also click on download for iPhone user. So me myself, I'm having accounts before, so let me just try to log in on my phone. Now, to buy BTC or sell any crypto pair or sell crypto asset here you want to buy and sell on this mobile app, you just have to go to buy and sell crypto. When you click on buy and sell crypto, you are going to be seeing the rate of BTC, the rate of USDT, the rate of airdrop at that date. So at the time of recording this video, it's exactly Sunday 6/1/2025. So let me click on continue after I'm seeing the rate here. So you're going to be multiplying the rate you are seeing with any. If you are sending 10 BTC, 10 USDT, multiply by 1,558. Or let me say you are a buyer, I want to buy, you are going to be multiplying 10 by 1,568 or 5,106 naira. Let me say 1,650 for the buyer, for the seller. So let me just click on continue. After I click on continue, you're going to be seeing active buy or sell. Are you buying or selling crypto on this site? Let me just say I want to buy. So to buy, I'm going to be clicking on the crypto pair I want to buy: BTC, ETH, USDT, BNB, SOL, Doge, that is DOGE, USDC, SRP, and TON, TON. Just click on the crypto pair you want to buy. So let me click on USDT. As me, I want to click on USDT. I want to buy USDT. Are you buying USDT with Naira, or you want to buy USDT with? Let me say you want to buy with USDC. So let me click on buy with Naira. So now, have you fund your account? You need to fund your account to buy BTC or buy USDT with Naira inside this app. Now, if no, add fund. So let me click on add fund. This is where you're going to be getting your account number. You're going to be crediting inside this app. So just copy the account number. I've copied the account number now. You can also use manual method. This is not going to require using your KYC at all on this app. Just click on manual, then you fund your money into this bank account on the app or admin account number. So just fund it, then you shout them that you have fund your account. Automatically, your account is going to be credited. So assuming you are paying 100,000 naira to buy USDT or USDT here, just fund the account 100,000 naira. Then you are going to be seeing the balance on your app here on the Itepay mobile app. So after you are done with that, just come back and click buy and sell. Then you click continue. Then you say you want to buy. Now you want to buy USDT. You click on buy. Then you buy USDT with Naira. Then you click yes, continue. So after you click on yes, continue, automatically it's going to take you to our WhatsApp, the admin WhatsApp, where you can just buy and trade. Itepay, IteTV, Iteloaded is in Nigeria since 2018, working on entertainment, working on finance and technology, because we have the team of developers developing sites since 2018. So to sell your USDT or sell crypto, any other crypto pair on this app, just click on sell and buy and sell crypto. After that, click on continue. After you click on continue, you're going to be clicking on sell. You want to sell your crypto. Are you selling BTC, USDT? Let me just click on BTC. You want to sell BTC. You are going to be seeing this address. When you are Bybit user, Bybit does not require paying gas fee at all using this mobile app. But you are using other exchanges like Binance, BitGet, and many, let me say Phantom, any other exchanges like that. So just copy the address. Whenever you copy the address, go and credit the address from your exchanges like Bybit, Binance. Then you click I have sent coin. Automatically, it's going to direct you to WhatsApp. This is very safe and no traces at all. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click on subscribe. Smash this video in terms of like. It's very important. Go to the comment section to drop any question you want to ask about this mobile app called Itepe.